good day everyone. So, ngayon naman ang gagawin natin is installing web services in Windows Server 2008 R2. No? So, susundin lang natin yung step-by-step process dito para magkaroon tayo ng web services. No? So, first is open your Windows Server 2008 R2 and add roles in Server Manager. So, una is click Server Manager and then roles. After that, click add roles. And then in server roles, select the web server IIS. Then click next. So since tapos ko nang gawin yan is tapos na to. Na-click ko na siya. Installed na siya. And then for the next step is read the details. Lalabas yung mga details na to for web server IIS. And then just simply click next. After that, magkakaroon ng confirmation for the installing. Just simply click install. And then, after that, lalabas na dito yung result na yung installation succeeded. And then after that, after the installation of IIS, proceed to your C directory. So let's go to our C directory. And then, find the folder inetpub. Ito siya, inetpub. In that folder, create a new folder. So, create a new folder, kahit anong folder name ang ilagay nyo. So, sa akin, ang nilagay ko is itong sample1. Then, after that, go to Internet Information Services. So, search na lang natin siya. Internet Information Services IIS Manager. Then, create a web server. Click the sites. Ayan. So, dito is nakagawa na ako. As you can see. Click nyo yung site and then add website. Pag pinili nyo yung add website, lalabas yung ito. Lalagay nyo yung inyong site name. And then, dito naman, sa physical path, isa-select nyo yung ginawa nyong folder sa local disk, C directory, and then sa loob ng inetpub. So, ano ba yung ginawa nyo folder sa inetpub? So, di ba yung sa akin is yung sample1. So, sample1 yung pipiliin ko dito. Then, after that, input the site name, the IP address, and the host name. So, dito, ang nilagay ko is yung my site, pangalan ng site ko. And then, physical path niya, yung ginawa kong folder kanina. And then, HTTP is kung ano yung IP address ng IP address nito. Then, add also the domain. No? So, ang domain neto is yummy.com. And then, after that, is makikita nyo na successful yung pag-create natin ng ating web server. So, paano i-check yan? So, punta ka sa this one, Internet Explorer. Then, makikita mo, eto. Since hindi ko siya pero ito siya. Ito dapat ang kakalabasan niya. CIIS7. And then, HTTP yung domain na in-enter nyo dito sa step 9. So, that's it for the installing web services.